Welcome everyone. The best open source vision model is out there right now is Llama 3.2 vision, the 11B and 90B. I've used the 11B and it does an amazing job locally. So how you can do it is you can install it in Olama. I have a video where I have showed about it, but today I just want to quickly show you how it works in a very quick manner. So if you go here, the first step that we need to do is Olama run, just to check whether it is fine. The This is our to run to do which model is running. You just do ps this model is running, the size is 6.7 G. Then I just need to do llama, the model name is llama 3.2 slash vision. Okay, and this is and just to test it out, you can just do hello. So this will give you it's working fine. So then I can just do see, just to see the details about how much time it is taking, what is the token it is taking, I just need to do verbose. So now what I can do is I want to give an image of a code that I have here, and how can it understand this particular thing. So this is a basic Python code. I want it to run this, scan this, and understand what is the code. So it is going to take some time, but I just want to do it. Go to details, file location, and python dot, you need to give the file location here. So this is the way we can do it step by step. So uh, what uh, extract the code in the image. So this is what I will do, and I'll give the location control slash python dot jpg, and it will take a couple of seconds, added image, and then we will it will come back when it's. Can you see this? The code in the image is transcribed as, it gives you the whole code exactly step by step. It gives you the whole code that is there. This is happening on my local system, my command prompt, if you can see, without using ChatGPT Plus Pro, any other vision model. It is giving me the extra exact code that is there, and it took approximately this is the time it took around this is the duration and everything. If you can see in details, it took all this particular thing, 24.93 milliseconds, and this many tokens. So now you can also ask, what does this code do? And it is going to give us a specific answer of what it is doing. So this is an amazing way of playing around with the best vision model on your local system. And here is the video that you can try to look at it in the previous video to see how you can install Olama. And you, if it is not installed, if just do Olama pull the model name, and it is going to be there. So this not only gives extracts the code, but it really understands the code, what it is doing, what is there in the image, and takes it further. So thank you very much for looking at this video. If you have not subscribed, like the channel, please do that, and see you in the next video.